Children, beta, in last period we have studied till question number 7th, exercise 17.2, 17.3, sorry. Now in today's class we are starting from question number 8th. The cost of flooring a room is rupees 56,000. The rate of the flooring of the room is 14 per square meter. Okay, if the room is 80 meter long, find its width. Okay, length of room is how much? Length of room is equal to 80 meter. Length of room is 80 meter and width of room is not given to us. Width of room is beta, suppose B. Okay, if suppose in your room you would like to paste the tiles, at that time what you will do beta? In your room length and breadth will be there. आप उसका क्या करेंगे? एरिया निकालेंगे. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग इट्स एरिया व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय द रेट कि एक स्क्वायर मीटर में टाइल लगाने के लिए क्या रेट है, और एरिया को जब आप रेट से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या निकल के आ जाएगा बेला कि कितनी कॉस्ट लगेगी आपको टाइल्स लगाने की. अगेन लिसन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. यू विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रूम. यू नो दैट योर room's floor can be in a square shape or in a rectangle shape. Okay, so what you will do? First of all, suppose this is rectangle in shape, so first of all what you will do? You will find the area of this room. Suppose this is room. Okay, afterwards what you will do beta? After finding the area of the room, you will multiply it by the rate that what is the cost of pasting the tiles in 1 square meter, and after that it will be cost. So see that area of room multiplied by rate is equal to cost of flooring. This will be our formula, general formula. Area of room will be beta length into breadth multiplied by rate per square meter. How much it is given? 14 is equal to length, cost of flooring. Cost of flooring is given to how much? 56,000. Okay, so length is how much beta? 80 into breadth multiplied by 14 is equal to 56,000. Okay, so 80 into B into 14 is equal to 56,000. So breadth is equal to beta 56,000 upon 80 into 14. Okay, so 14 4 ja 56, 30 will come along with it, so it will be 4,000 divided by 80, 10, 8 5 ja 40. So what will be the breadth of the room? B is equal to beta 50 meter, and this will be your answer. The length and breadth of 3 rectangles are given below. These are 3 different rectangles. The length and breadth of 3 rectangles are given below. Which among the 3 has the largest area? So beta, this question you will do yourself. One part of the question I am doing, and B and C part you will do yourself. 9 meter and 6 meter. So what you will do? You will find the area of the rectangles in each of the case. Okay, for each part of the question you will find the area of the rectangle, and then you will compare that which rectangle having more area. See that length is how much beta in first case? 9 meter, and breadth is 6 meter. So area of rectangle is equal to beta length into breadth. Length is how much? 9 meter or into 6 meter, it will be 54 meter square. So in this way, B and C part you will do in your homework. You will find its area, okay, area of the rectangle, and then you will tell that, decide that which rectangle having the greater area, whether the A part has more area or B part having more area or C part having more area. That you will write in your final answer. Now see that, find the cost of flooring a square room. Square room is there, okay, the floor is having in a shape of square at rupees 9 per square meter, whose each side is 8 meter. So what I taught you just now, that area of square room, area of floor of square room multiplied by rate is equal to cost of flooring. As just now we have done this kind of question, cost of flooring, okay. Area of square room means, what is the formula for area of square? Side into side, side into side, multiplied by rate. Rate is how much you have to given? 9. Rate is given to you beta 9 per square meter. So 9 is equal to cost of flooring. So it will be cost of flooring. We have to find the cost of flooring this time. Previously cost was given to us, we have to find the breadth or side, okay. Side is how much? 8 meter. So 8 into 8 into 9 is equal to cost of flooring, okay. Cost of flooring, 8 8 ja 64 into 9 is equal to cost of flooring. Now multiply this, okay. 9 4 ja 36, carry 3, okay. 9 6 ja 54, plus 3 57. So 576 is rupees 576 is equal to cost of flooring, and this will be your answer. Now see that beta, question number 11. Find the cost of covering a playground at rupees 3 per square meter if it is 30 meter long and 15 meter wide, okay. Just try to understand the question. What is the question? With the help of the figure I am going to explain you beta. Suppose it is a rectangle shape playground. You would like to cover it, okay. Suppose you would like to cover this portion. If you would like to cover this portion, so what you have to you should calculate. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा इसको कवर करने के लिए? यहाँ देखेंगे, सी देयर, व्हाट यू, दिस इज इंटरनल पार्ट है ना, इंटरनल पोर्शन ऑफ द फिगर. एंड इसके लिए आप क्या निकालते थे बेटा? इसके लिए आप निकालते थे एरिया. इसके लिए आपको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? एरिया. और इसमें सपोज आपको कारपेट बिछाना है या इसमें आपको ग्रासिंग करनी है इस अंदर वाले पार्ट में, है ना, जहाँ मैंने शेड कर रखा है. सो यू वुड लाइक टू, यू विल फाइंड इट्स एरिया. और एरिया को आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे? रेट से. यू विल मल्टीप्लाई एरिया बाय रेट. सो लेंथ ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड, लेंथ ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड इज हाउ मच? इज इक्वल टू 30 मीटर, okay. And breadth of playground is how much beta? 15 meter. So area of playground is equal to L into B, and L is how much? 30 meter. Breadth is how much? 15 meter. Okay, so 15 3 ja 45, 450 meter square will be the area. Or we can write that 450 square meter. Both are correct. If we are writing square meter square or square meter, then also it is correct. Now you have to give a rate, है ना, cost of. What you would like to do now? You would like to cover this playground, है ना, as I have shown you in figure. So cost of covering playground is equal to beta area multiplied by rate, because cost of, if you would like to cover 1 meter long and 1 meter wide, है ना, cost of covering means if you would like to cover 1 meter long and 1 meter wide portion, then you have to pay 3 rupees, but your length is more and your breadth is also more, so you have to pay more for that. And for more, what we are doing, ज़्यादा के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता है, we multiply. So area is 450 square meter multiplied by rate is given to you beta 3 rupees 3. Okay, so multiply them now. 3 0 0, 3 5 ja 15, carry 1, 3 4 ja 12, on 1 13, rupees 1350 you have to pay for covering the playground. In the next part of the question beta, you have to cover its boundary. आपको प्लेग्राउंड के चारों तरफ, आप खुद ही सोच लो, प्लेग्राउंड के चारों ओर आपको क्या करना है, you have to make one boundary. And for making boundary beta, what you will do, I taught you that for making boundary always we should calculate the perimeter of the, perimeter means we will make this length, इस यहाँ भी हम बनाएंगे, then this breadth, again this length, and then this breadth. So what we will calculate, perimeter of the figure or ground. So perimeter of playground is equal to, it is the second part of the question of same question. Okay, so see that for fencing the playground, we will calculate perimeter of playground. Perimeter of playground. Now see that perimeter of playground is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 length is how much beta, 30 meter into 15 meter, plus sign will be there, है ना. Okay, now see that beta, perimeter of playground 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into 30 plus 15, so 2 into 45 is equal to beta 90 meter will be the perimeter of the playground. Now you have to find the cost of fencing. Okay, cost of fencing is equal to perimeter multiplied by rate. So perimeter is how much beta, 90 meter, or multiplied by rate 20 per meter. This is per meter sign. Okay, so means for 1 meter we have to pay 20 rupees, but we have to cover 90 meter. So for that what we will do, multiply 9 to ja 18. Okay, so 1800 rupees we have to give. Okay, for covering the, for fencing the playground. Now see that beta, last question of the exercise. Two playgrounds have same perimeter. One is rectangular in shape, it is 40 meter long and 25 meter wide, and another is square in shape. Okay, it means beta, whatever means if you will, you have to given the side of the rectangle. Okay, and whatever the perimeter will come, same perimeter will be for the square figure also. Okay, means perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle will be same. See that beta, See here now. Okay. You have given two figures, but the side of the square is not given to us. So you first find perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Okay. Its side we don't know. Side. Later on I will write on the figure. So perimeter of rectangle beta 2 into length plus breadth is equal to perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. 2 into length plus breadth means 40 plus 25 meter is equal to perimeter of square. Okay. So 2 into 65 is equal to beta perimeter of square. Maybe everybody of you are getting it till here. Na? 65 2 ja beta 130 meter. What is the formula for perimeter of square? 4 into side. Okay. So 130 divided by 4 is equal to side of square. Side of square. So 4 3 ja 12. So beta, if you will divide 130 by 4, you will get 32.5 is equal to side of square. Now you have to find the area of both the figure. Means area of, now you are having the length and breadth of rectangle also and side of square also. So find area of square is equal to, area of square is equal to beta side into side. Side into side. So side is how much? 32.5 or into 32.5. See that how much it will come. So beta, if you will multiply, it is coming 1056.25. Multiplication you know how you should multiply. Okay. Now you will find the area of rectangle also, because you have to compare the which figure having greater area. So area of rectangle is equal to beta length into breadth. Okay. Meter square. Length is how much beta? 40 meter or into 25 meter. So 25 4 ja 100 or 1 this 0 will come 1000 meter square. Now see that you can see beta which figure having greater area. Square having greater area. You see that square is having greater area. So you will write square has larger area. Larger area. But how much? How we can decide? Subtract from area of square. Na? It is also written that which figure having larger area and by how much. And for how much what we will do? Subtract from area of square to the area of rectangle. So area of square is equal to 1056.25 and area of rectangle is equal to 1000.00. So subtract 5 to 56.25 square meter greater area. This much of greater area has square. Square has 56.25 square meter greater area. Okay beta. So what we have in this question? Just again I am repeating. Perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square were same. So we have applied the formula for 2 into length plus breadth is equal to perimeter of square, because the side of square was not given to us. हमको side of square नहीं दे रखी थी. So we have put the values here is equal to perimeter of square. So 2 into 65 means 130 meter is equal to 4 into side, because the formula for perimeter of square is 4 into side. This 4 will come here in the divide. So side of square we will get. After getting the side of square, we can put the formula side into side. So it will come 1056.25. Same way you will find the area of rectangle also, length into breadth. It is coming 1000 meter square. Now you can decide that which figure having square having the greater area and by how much कितना ज़्यादा है उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे, फ्रॉम द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर you will subtract the area of rectangle and you will get the actual answer. So in this way beta, today we have completed your portion also, and along with this video I am sending the PDF also for this chapter, so you will complete till there, and then in next class we will start the revision. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.